Welcome back to Custom ROM Info. Today I'm showing you how to flash crDroid Android 15 on your OnePlus 8 using ADB Sideload with OrangeFox recovery. But first, here's why this ROM is worth installing. crDroid Android 15 isn't just fast. It's a feature-packed and stable ROM built for performance and customization. From your status bar layout, lock screen clocks, and quick settings tiles, to your nav bar, animations, and gestures. Smart features include smart charging, game mode with FPS meter support. Best of all, it's bloat-free, regularly updated, and runs super smooth on the OnePlus 8. Now let's begin. Here's what you need. Your bootloader must be unlocked. You must have the crDroid ROM zip file, OrangeFox recovery image, and ADB fast boot tools installed on your PC. First, power off your phone. Now press and hold volume up plus power until the fast boot screen appears. Connect your phone to your PC. Now open command prompt or terminal and type. Now type fastboot flash recovery.mg. Once done, use the volume keys to select recovery, then press the power button to boot into OrangeFox. In OrangeFox, go to Wipe Advanced Wipe. Now select Dalvik Arch RT Cache, Cache, System, and Data. Then swipe to confirm the wipe. Go back to the main menu and tap ADB Sideload. Swipe to begin sideload mode. Now on your PC, type the following command, shown on screen. Let the installation complete. It may take a couple of minutes. Reboot to recovery again. Select Apply Update. ADB Sideload. Connect your device to PC. In CMD, type ADB Sideload drag and drop GApps. Wait while the process is completed. Once it's done, your OnePlus 8 will now boot into crDroid Android 15 for the first time. And that's it! You've successfully flashed crDroid Android 15 on your OnePlus 8 using ADB Sideload and OrangeFox recovery. Now enjoy a fast, bloat-free, fully customizable experience, packed with features that most stock ROMs can't even dream of. If this guide helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Custom ROM Info, and don't forget to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I post weekly updates on custom ROMs, smooth flashing guides, and performance reviews, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.